Okay, this is how to use Simpletask on an Android phone. It uses the ToDoTxt convention, and it will work on iPhones and Mac computers and Windows computers. So you can use it on any platform, just about. And using Dropbox, you can keep it all sunk. So you can have one .txt file on a server, a Dropbox server, and so then all your to-do list will be on every device. So before you do anything, you need to have Dropbox, a Dropbox account set up and installed on the device, and whatever devices you're wanting to use it on. The program, there's a bunch of different programs that do the ToDoTxt system, and so this happens to be the one for Android that I like best, but there's a bunch that you can try out and they all have different names. So I open Simpletext and you can see all of my to-do lists there. And if I'm wanting to only look at one list, then I could do my to-do now list and then click the checkbox, and so that's what's on my list for to-do now. If I wanted to see all of my to-do lists at once, I can actually check them all, and then they'll all be on the list. I'm going to go back to just to do now, and if I want to add something to this to-do list, I click the plus, and you can see that it already has the little plus sign, and to do now is the name that I gave this list, and I'm going to put weed eat because I need to get that done. And then if I click save, then weed eat is now right here on this list. Now if I want to edit it, I click the pencil and I can give it a priority. I can hit the star and give it an A priority because it needs to be at the top of the list, and it's the most important. And if I click the little floppy disk icon to save it, and then you can see that it's now at the top of the list there, or it's second from it because it's alphabetical, and you can adjust how you want lists to sort, but P for produce comes before W for weed eat. Now if I wanted to, so I'm going to click the pencil again to edit that one, and if I wanted to change it from being to do now to just to do, maybe it's not quite as top priority, so I checked to do and I unchecked to do now, and I click OK, and then I click save, and so now it's not showing up on this list because I'm in the to do now list. If I uncheck to do now and I check to do, and then there is the weed eat. If I want to make a new item, if you have something selected like that, your menu items change, so you just have to click it again to unselect it. And so then the plus here, if I make a new item, since I'm not in any particular list, there's no plus thing already there. You click the little flag thing, the tag, and so I want to put this list in movies to watch, and I want to watch Bohemian Rhapsody, and I don't care what order it goes in, and it's going to be in my movies to watch. So I click save, and then I click the little filter icon there, and I go to movies to watch, and I click the checkbox, and then there's my movies to watch, and Bohemian Rhapsody is right there. And again, remember, if I really want to watch that before anything else, whatever one you click on is selected. So I'm going to click on that one to select it, and then I'm going to click the pencil down here, which means to edit it. And I'm going to click the star and give it the A priority, or I could give it the Z priority because I want it way down on the list. And I click the little floppy disk icon to save it, and then it should be, oh, okay, Z will sort last out of everything that you have given the priority to. So Z sorts above no priority, but Z sorts alphabetically for any of the other priorities. So that doesn't really help make it go further down the list unless you always give a priority to everything. And some people do. There's systems on how to do this. If you Google ToDoTxt, so ToDoTxt system, you'll find articles and videos and things like that on how to utilize this system. And again, tying it into your Dropbox is crucial. And so you go to Settings and Dropbox, and mine's already tied to a Dropbox, but if it wasn't, it would give you a Dropbox option. So connecting it to Dropbox, you have the app open, and there's a couple of different versions to install. There's Simpletask Cloudless, and this is Simpletask for Dropbox. And so you click on there, and it checks that I'm already logged into Dropbox on this phone. You look and see if that's the correct account, and you click allow. And so then when you're in your settings, it shows that you're there. And that's how you use this program.